At the Eurodata event run in conjunction with Microsoft, we were very impressed with the possibilities of Exchange 2010. It did open a few thought processes, I think, in our heads, and where we were looking at lots of separate technologies such as email archiving and the like, I think we could have one solution which covers all of those. I think the best features of Exchange 2010 were the features that we've been wanting for quite a long time to help the business, such as the presence and the email archiving. I think those are the best features for us.
I thought that the 2010 event run by Microsoft and Eurodata was very good. I came here to learn about the basics of 2010 and I got all of that, which is great. Okay, the best features for Exchange 2010 for me, I think would have to be the email archiving piece. Probably like a lot of companies were struggling with managing PSTs, and bringing that back into the system I think is great, and it will save us from having to then invest in a separate archiving system.
Well, the 2010 event run by Microsoft and Eurodata today has been most enjoyable as usual. Eurodata always hosts a very good event. It's always very informative. Tony from Microsoft did an outstanding job explaining what Exchange 2010 could bring to us, and then Matt from Microsoft went through the actual process of installing Exchange 2010 and going through the additional features that 2010 holds. Right, in my opinion, the email archiving solution looks very attractive, as well as that mail tips I thought was very good. So you can actually see if someone's out of the office before you send the email, and therefore unclutter your own inbox. And the other thing was the fax to email, which I think will be a very useful solution.
We have a strategic relationship with Eurodata that works both ways for us. We deploy our services and skills to their customer base, and they deploy theirs to ours. It's a phenomenally successful relationship.
The 2010 event hosted by Microsoft and Eurodata was very useful for me and possibly for my firm going forward. It answered a lot of questions that I had in the back of my mind, and hopefully going forward I should be able to use that information and use Eurodata in a more positive impact. The best features that are going to benefit my firm on Exchange 2010 are probably the unified messaging and the conversation scheme on the emails.
So the benefits of Exchange 2010 are really threefold. So the first thing is around the protection and compliance. So this is actually integrating Active Directory rights management into email traffic. So if somebody was to send an email, it will actually land in your mailbox already rights protected, if you choose to be, so you can't reply all, print or forward. We've got the Anywhere Access, so this is a capability of using Outlook web app, which basically means you could access your mailbox from any browser. So you're not restricted to IE anymore. For the premium experience, you could log on using Mozilla Firefox or Safari on an Apple Mac. And then the last piece is around the reliability and the high availability stuff and the underlying choice of storage. So depending on what it is that you need to do, you have a massive choice of how you can consume Exchange 2010. So kudos to Eurodata. We're doing a roadshow over the past week or so, and this has been really good fun. Tremendous customer numbers, which allowed me to spread the love of Exchange 2010. And it's really, really good to work with them. A very consistent and very helpful partner. I'm more than happy to do this event again.
Eurodata have had a vast experience in Exchange ever since CC Mail Exchange came out. We've had 15 years of experience with Exchange and Active Directory, helping customers migrate, upgrade and scale their Exchange and email environments. Messaging is at the heart of every single business. It's very important to get the foundations built correctly and understand how it's going to scale, what the user experience is going to be like, and keep a very, very high level of service throughout the organization. There's no doubt about it, Exchange 2010 provides many cost advantages as well as productivity advantages. Many of our customers are seeing great business reasons and great technology reasons why to implement Exchange 2010 today. A lot of customers that are on Exchange 2003 who are looking at Exchange 2007 are beginning to change their minds, thinking, let's go straight to 2010. It's as in the last release of Exchange 2007, right from day one, the software was stable, so there is no more apprehension of going directly to Exchange 2010, getting a lot of our customers and new customers coming to us saying, how do we do it? When can we do it? Our business can really see the value of this. Eurodata are a gold enterprise partner of Microsoft, and we work with them, very, very seamlessly to deliver end-to-end solutions into mid-size to large enterprise clients, and we are always ahead of the technology curve. So when, for example, Exchange 2010 comes to market, we are one of the most experienced partners out there at this very, very early stage because we work so closely with them.
Eurodata's experience in Exchange has been a long and interesting journey. We started with 5.5 and we moved on. A lot of the conversations I've had today have been with people that face a really big dilemma. 2007 or 2010. Completely different in their methodology and their approach. It's our job to make sure that it's clear, crystal clear, that they know which way to go. 2010 offers a new benefit to clients. It's our job over the next couple of months to make sure that people can disseminate between which direction to go and when to go to Exchange 2010. Just because it's got 2010 actually in the title doesn't mean that it has to be at 2010 or even at the back end of 2009. I think that people will make their minds up based on the return on investment. And we hope to be part of that. Eurodata's relationship with Microsoft is probably one of the strongest relationships we have with any vendor. We normally describe vendor relationships as a love-hate relationship. We hate the fact that they come out with software so quick, but we love that they do because it moves our business forward. It actually offers the business benefits to lots of Microsoft existing customers and new customers, and it enables us a very good career. And we're appreciative of that. We also think that they have a very high quality of product. They actually make sure that they have enough diversity in their range to cover off a lot of concerns that customers have got, from the client all the way to the server to the data center.